It's December 31st, 2023, last day of the year. I'm heading out to do some errands, and I have a lizard on the hood of my car. I guess he wants to go for a joyride. We're spending the last day out. I'm going to try to film as much as I can. I'm going real slow right now. He's hanging on. I hope he can see it. He's so cute. I guess this is how lizards get from one place to another. Florida, it's a ride on a car. I love it. He's so cute. He's turning around, holding on for dear life. I wonder what he's thinking. Should I name him? I don't know. Leonard the lizard, itching a ride. Are you running away from home? I don't want him getting squished. Wondering, is he going to stay all the way on the hood? He's coming up closer. He's like, please stop the car. He's so cute. We're almost there at Publix, honey. Hold on. It's just a little short drive down the road to Publix, so hoping he stays on it, don't get squished in the road. Turning in. Is he going to stay on? Speed bumps. Like somebody's going to really speed through here. This congested. I'm going to try to pull over there where the trees are to get them off. I don't want them getting hurt, killed in the damn parking lot. Oop. Okay. Okay, I don't don't know if he's still there. I've been driving. Let's see. Yeah, he's still here. I'm going to slowly get out. He's still there. Come on, Mr. Lizard. Come out of there.